Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will explore Palantir in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 7th of February, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 21st of January, 2025, our system has identified Palantir as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.21. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 51.70% since we first designated Palantir as a buy candidate 2 weeks ago. This results in an average return of 3.69% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $111.74 would indicate a stronger rate of increase. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 33.27% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 11.82% to 34.34%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 133.86% over the coming year, with a potential return between 19.78% and 135.30%. This translates to a price range from $132.78 to $260.83 after a year. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline: Palantir stock upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Friday trading session. The Palantir stock price experienced a decline of nearly 0.4% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 7th of February, 2025, dropping from $111.28 to $110.85. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.35%, with a low of $110.39 and a high of $116.30. Over the past 10 days, the stock has risen in 6 of those days, with an increase of 40.35% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume surged on the last day, with 16 million shares exchanged, albeit with falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 141 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $15.65 billion. Reviewing the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price at $116.30 and its lowest at $20.33. Currently, the price sits at 4.69%, or $5.45, below its 52-week high of $116.30, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies Inc. has been riding the wave of enthusiasm surrounding artificial intelligence, with the stock experiencing a remarkable surge of over 400% in the past year alone. Recent momentum continued, with the stock gaining nearly 40% this week, driven by a stellar fourth-quarter report that outperformed expectations, with revenues reaching $827 million, and significantly higher than guidance and consensus estimates. This strong performance, characterized by 36% year-over-year growth and a booming U.S. commercial segment, positions Palantir for continued growth in the near term. However, this bullish sentiment comes with caution. Some analysts are expressing concerns over Palantir's high valuation, currently trading at nearly 87 times its trailing 12-month revenue. This has sparked a debate about whether the stock is priced for perfection, which could pose risks if growth does not meet lofty expectations in the future. Additionally, the prospect of leveraging strategies with products like the Granite Shares, 2x long PLTR daily ETF, presents opportunities for traders willing to navigate the risks of increased volatility. Overall, While the current landscape appears favorable for Palantir in the short term, investors should remain aware of the valuation pressures and market psychology that could impact stock performance in the long run. As the company continues to forge its path in the AI sector, all eyes will be on its ability to sustain this impressive growth trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 4th of February 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned PLTR underperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned PLTR a underperform grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 31st of January 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned PLTR a cautious grade with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 23rd of January 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Palantir stock an overall sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. The Palantir stock indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal due to the relationship between the two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support from the levels at $96.40 and $79.21. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal appeared from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 6, 2025, and so far the stock has declined by 0.386%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 11 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 172 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 160 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $103.83 and $101.36. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing these support levels. If the support is broken, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this case, Palantir has support just below today's level at $103.83. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $101.36 and $83.74. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating a high level of volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $5.91 between its high and low points, reflecting a change of 5.35%. For the past week, the daily average volatility has been 6.92%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 11 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir is at $111.28. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at $103.83. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 4th day of February in the year 2025, Stat Lauren Elena Friedman executed an insider sale of 11,794 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Schiff Alexandra W. conducted an insider sale of 500 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on that day, Schiff Alexandra W. sold 1,300 shares of Class A common stock. On the same date, Schiff Alexandra W. also sold 600 shares of Class A common stock. Furthermore, on that day, Schiff Alexandra W. conducted an insider sale of 1,000 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 24.428. In total, insiders have purchased 12,751,469 shares and sold 21,016,903 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $108.18, reflecting a decline of 2.41%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which brings a high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 87, further elevating the risk involved. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level presents a potential buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Palantir stock to perform well in the short term. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis of this stock from a hold accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our we remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are responsible for your own investment decision. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.